Alright guys, for this trek into DIY tech, I'm going to take you guys into the Makerspace Forsyth archives. So for some of you may know, I used to run a makerspace for years, and we used to go to Makerspace, the Maker Faire in Atlanta. So this is just a quick montage. Back then, I was using a different phone, so this is all recorded from my phone. And this is, I wasn't recording to put it on YouTube or anything. I was just, recording us walking around the Maker Faire. And this was from 2014. So, yeah, just hope you enjoy it.
Here we go. The way we start, the instruction is sore. Alright? That tells you how fast we're going to go. Sore, and then you're going to hit it to right. Or you can just stand there all over and snap your limit. Ready? Sore!
Ah! Look at that. Look at the.
What if you
I wonder who's controlling that thing. Oh my goodness. That's a what?
complicated car. That one right there.
Hey, it looks like it.
It can flip. No, that's a two pieces of cardboard. Yeah, I'm not.
So they made like a train out of it.
Is that legal?
I don't know. I guess.
I feel like that's cheating.
Yeah, me too.
Go!
And did it make it? Oh no, it backfired. No, it stayed right there.
Oh.
It was too heavy.
That's what you get for cheating.
Yeah, it was too heavy. I guess
Cheaters
that.
never win.
Well, I mean, they got creative, but.
But still, it's not what you're.
It's in the far left lane. It's in the far left lane. Here we go. Here we go.
It survives. That alone is a win.
Second place.
It's
I'm happy. I'm ready to go. It came down the fastest, but then it slowed up right there.
yeah, at the hill.
Yeah.
How well?
It's a face. So somebody's head.
She sat on the bicycle.
Okay, thanks for watching. And again, you know, if you want to keep these videos coming, and you know, put something in the comments, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. That'll help us out a great deal to have the you know, the algorithm and which doesn't like to notice small channels like ours. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. And yeah, if you haven't been to a Maker Faire or checked out your local makerspace, hey, it's a great place to go to find people who are doing DIY stuff just like you, and you know, share a common thing, you know. See you in the next video.